Hello, my name is Benedict Rinne, and I am the current curriculum coordinator here at Sekolah Bogor Raya. I have been with Sekolah Bogor Raya for 5, going on 6 years now, and I am very grateful to have found SBR so soon after my arrival to Indonesia almost 7 years ago. We have a very friendly, family-type atmosphere, and we work to cultivate a very tight-knit community that learns and grows together as the school expands and develops new and exciting programs every year. As we continue to grow as a school, we continue to focus on our core culture, preserve what is most important to us as a school community, and always look for new ways to learn from our experiences and to incorporate that learning into the very structure and the culture of our school. Founded in 1995, we provide internationally accredited curriculums, and the school is also accredited as Satuan Pendidikan Kerjasama from Dinas Pendidikan Indonesia with A marks for all levels of education. For our primary years, we are running the PYP program, or the Primary Years Program from International Baccalaureate. This is followed by the Cambridge Checkpoint and IGCSE programs. We are also now proud to be the very first school in Kota Bogor to offer the IB Diploma programs for grades 11 and 12. And we are even more proud to have just successfully seen the graduation of the first batch of IB DP cohorts this year. We celebrate the diversity of our students, staff, and community. We welcome students with different backgrounds in terms of nationalities, religions, and cultures. And this celebration of multiculturalism is recognized and respected by all school community members here at Sekolah Bogor Raya. We are very firm believers in inquiry and inquiry-based learning, and we really like to see that link between inquiry-based learning and the motivation and the passion that comes with the students as they take agency in their own learning success. We have amazing facilities here at the school to support both the academic and the non-academic growth of all of our students. Our Douglas Stoltz Auditorium, named after one of our founders, is used for arts, drama, musical performances, and to host a wide range of inter-school events. We're also very fortunate to have 2 basketball courts, 2 swimming pools, a soccer field, multiple libraries and reading spaces, and state-of-the-art IT and science labs to fuel academic, socio-emotional, and athletic growth. We have amazing staff who work very closely together to unlock the potential of every student and inspire them to achieve more and consistently rise to the challenge of being the best educators that they possibly can. SBR students are driven, they're motivated, they're very friendly, they're together, they're supportive of one another, and they're very open to new ideas and excited to be here every day. We are very proud to be able to prepare and to support our students for a life dedicated to leadership, achievement, and service to the community, and we are forever learning together, inspiring success.